Hello friends, I am Akhilesh Kumar Srivastava and now we are going to solve the fourth question on the HackerRank linked list module. The question is insertion of a node at the specific position in the linked list. So in this question it is given that data is 4 and position is 2. It means that in the given linked list you have to insert the data 4 at position 2. It is considered here that 0 is the location here, 1 is the location of the 2 and 2 is the location of this 4. So the counting is starting at 0, what it is actually telling you. So for insertion of a node at the specific position in the linked list, let's take an example to do this. Let's say this is the linked list given to us, and in this linked list given, if I have been asked to insert the node at 2, so I will take a counter and I will take a temporary pointer, let's say P, that points to the first node, and with the counter and this P, I'll reach to the specified position for the insertion. So if I say that this counter is 1, counter is 0, let's say, and this counter is less than the desired position. So before that, I'll move this to P and will increment this counter to 1. Now 1 is also less than 2, so I'll increment this counter once again, and this reaches to this node P, and this position is the place where I should insert the node. So for insertion of the node at this position, I will have to have the node address of this node. So if I don't have the address of this node, in that case I cannot insert the element here. So I will have to stop at one less position than the current one. So rather than starting the counter by 0, let's start the counter by 1. Let's do it once again, all these things. So P is the pointer that is keeping the address of the first node. The counter is started from 1 and I have to insert the node at position number 2. So since this 1 is less than, or the counter is less than 2, I will increment this pointer P to point to the next node. Now P is keeping the address of the second node and the counter is also incremented by 1. Now this 2 is not less than 2. So I'll stop here and will say that the element is to be inserted after the given node P. So if I insert the node here, this is somewhat like insertion of a node after the P node. So this node will contain the address of this node and P will take the address of the newly created node. Let's say this is Q. So for the insertion of this node, what I say that let's say R is the address of the node next to P. Let's say Q is the newly created node. Q takes the address of R and P takes the address of Q. Now in this case, it may so happen that let's say the position which is given to us is 0. So if the position given to us is 0, in that case, the insertion will take place as the head node or the first node. So for the insertion of the first node, I will take a node, let's say the node is Q, and then this will point to the head node, and then the position of head node will now change because head node will be here, but I want the head node to be here. So I'll change the position of the head node to the newly created node. So I hope the process is clear to you. Let's try to write this algorithm. Write the code. Okay. So this is the function given, and here in this function, the three things are given. LList is the address of the first node, data is the data item to be inserted, and position is the position at which the insertion has to take place. So I'll take a counter C, I will initialize that to 1, and then I need the pointer variables or temporary pointer variables. As discussed in the algorithm, we need 3 pointer variables, let's say P, Q, and R. All these are the pointer variables. I will have to create the memory for the new node. So I'll use this malloc function and I have to create the memory equal to the node size. And then I will have to typecast this memory also so that only the node type of the pointer accepts this address. So Q is the node that accepts this address. After this, I will set the data of this node as data, and for the sake of just simplicity, I'm setting the next pointer of this node as null. Even if you don't do this, this code will work. After this, I have to check if the position given to us is 0. Then I have to make the insertion at the first node. So for the insertion as the first node, what you will say that the newly created node will take the address of the first node, and the first node will be the queue node, hence the L list will now take the address of this queue node. Having done this, if I don't have to insert the element in the first position. In that case, I will have to traverse the linked list. For traversal of the linked list, let's say P takes the address of the first node. P is same as the first node. I will have to traverse this linked list. So the traversal will take place only by the time C is less than the position. And what I will say that C++ and P is equals to P dot next. So once this loop finishes, I will have the position at which I have to make the insertion. I have to insert after the P. So let's take the R, which is the next node of P. Then I'll make the settlement or setting of the pointer. So Q will take the address, or the next field of the Q node or the newly created node will take the address of R, and P will take the address of the newly created node. I think the insertion is done. I will just have to return the L list or the address of the first node from this function. Let's try to run this code. You can see that the sample test cases have got passed, and all other test cases have also got passed. So we have successfully implemented this program. Thank you so much.